We are in Backup Exec 15. I'm going to show you how to create a storage pool. A storage pool allows you to back up to multiple devices. So when one device is full, the other device will automatically be chosen to continue the backup operation. So let's go ahead and click on Configure Storage under the Storage tab and choose disk-based storage because we don't have any storage yet. So we're going to go ahead and add our storage. Choose disk storage, and the first one we're going to call Backup Storage 1. That's fine. And we're going to choose our E drive. And the rest of the defaults are just fine. Okay, there's our storage 1. Now let's go ahead and go back, click on storage again, and we're going to choose our other drive, which is going to be called number 2. And it's going to be our F drive. If you see the drop down, it only has the C and the F now. Don't want to back up to the C drive, obviously, because that's where all our information is. So go ahead and click Next, Finish, and now we're done. Now, what we'll do is one more time, but this time we'll choose a different option. We'll choose Storage Pools. Click Next, Storage Device Pool, Next, and it's going to call it by default the Storage Device Pool 001. 0001 actually. Next. All right, so storage device pool type, it is a disk storage device. That's our only option. Next, and it shows us our 2 drives we just created. Let's go ahead and check both of those boxes. Click Next and Finish. All right, so now we have our storage pool. So if we double click on that pool, you can see that our 2 drives that we just created are in this pool. If we want, we can add additional drives if we have them, which we don't, or we can remove a drive from the pool. Now, how do you use that? Well, let's go over to our backup and restore option. Right click, and we're going to choose to back up our server. It says it's a virtual machine. That's fine. We'll just ignore that. And now we're going to click on Edit on the right-hand side of our screen. Then we click on Storage, which is the second option down. All right, so our storage, we have a drop-down list. Let's go ahead and choose. We're going to choose our storage device pool 001, and inside that is our 2 drives. Now we have to choose that for every single backup drive we want to add it to that pool. If you have multiple pools, you can change that. Obviously, you can make more pools if you want to. And so now we know this backup is going to use this storage pool rather than a single drive when we run the backup. So that's how you create and use a storage pool in Backup Exec 15.